In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Freshly promo code. So let's get started. So Freshly is another home cooked brand which sells home cooked meals. So now you might be wondering on how you can get a discount while purchasing from here. So well, you have to go to your web browser and search for Freshly promo codes, and then you'll have to click on the first website. So once you have done that, you can go and find a suitable offer for you. So I'm going to scroll down until I find something good. Alright, so this one looks good. Grab 30% off your first purchase. So I can just click show coupon. So that's the coupon if you want to get 30% off on your purchase, 30 spring. So you can just go to the website and use this code on checkout. Well, similarly, there's another code here, $15 off. So show coupon, and that's gonna be the coupon for this. So you can just copy it and paste it. Well, now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Now let's say coupon follow. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna wait for the website to load. Alright, so once that is done, I'm gonna go and find some good codes. Alright, so take up to 40% off with this coupon. So I'm gonna click on it, and if you use this coupon, you're gonna get 40% off. I'm gonna go and find a few more. Enjoy 25% off your purchase. There. So you use this code and you can click continue to Freshly to go to their website and order. Well, as you guys can see, there are many codes here and you can go explore every single one of them and they are going to work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.